Hello YouTube, I hope everybody is doing fine, and today we have another winner, and the winner of this digital camera DVR is Josh from Australia. Congratulations Josh, this is yours and I will ship it out on Monday. So I hope you like it and enjoy it and can use it. Um, well, I showed it many times. This is a car DVR. So anyway, this is actually the main purpose on this video Um, this is my second giveaway, and I'm not sure if I should continue or not, because actually by announcing my last video with announcing the second giveaway, I have more thumbs downs than in any of my videos lately, so I don't know what the problem is, what people do not like about giveaways. But I mean, if you don't like it, I mean, I can stop it and I just I don't know, give away stuff to people that I think deserve it or whatever. I mean, I don't want to force anybody to participate, and I really didn't have any much increase in subscribers, and so far it's actually backfiring to me, and I don't know what it is, but I mean, I cannot force anybody to win something, and if nobody wants it, then I'll just stop it and do other stuff. I have enough projects coming up that I'm working on, and I work 16 hours a day, 7 days a week, and I surely can use a break as well. So anyway, let me know in the comments if you want to, and if I get enough positive comments, I will continue with the giveaways, and if not, oh well, I'm not losing. So anyway, this was actually a very short video, I guess. I'm waiting on PCBs, so I do not have anything to show really, and yeah, I don't wanna hold up anyone any more than needed. So this was the second giveaway, and this camera goes again to Josh in Australia. And I hope you like it, Josh, and thank you everybody for your support. Nevertheless, I did have a few sales on Banggood, thank you for that, and I'm not sure if I should create affiliate links for AliExpress as well. I have nothing to do with Amazon, so I won't do that. Let me know in the comments. I'm trying to grow my channel and thought that giveaways would be a way to do it, but if it's not working, then I don't. And I'm actually even thinking of changing my profession, because I can get only so far with making and selling electronics, and it's very slow. Prices have increased for chips, and like my regular Atmega 328 chips are sold out till I think second month of next year, and it's just crazy. And it's hard to get original parts, and like everything has increased. I have to pay taxes now on everything, from even from China. And anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments if you like. You can subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified of future giveaways. I haven't decided what's gonna be next, but I will just wait and see the how you call it, the result of this video. Anyway, hope everybody's enjoying their weekend, and I talk to you on the next one. Take care, everybody.